Adriatic Sea. The Adriatic Sea, the Adriatic Sea is the part of the Mediterranean Sea. Rhone Po Rhine. Rhine River also rises in Alps mountains. It flows towards northern side. It flows towards northern side between France and Germany countries and outflows into the North Sea. It is the Rift Valley River in European continent. It is the Rift Valley River in the European continent. Rhone Po Rhine. Next one is Danube. The Danube River is called more countries traveled international river. It rises in Germany. The Danube River rises in Germany. It flows through Germany, Austria. It flows through Germany, Austria, Slovakia, Germany, Austria, Slovakia, Hungary, Serbia, Romania, Bulgaria. And it outflows into the Black Sea. If any river flows more than one country, is called international river. Some examples of international river: rivers, Danube River, Southeast Asian Danube River, Nile River, Niger River, Amazon, Congo, Indus, Brahmaputra, Ganga, and so forth. These are the some best examples which flow more than one countries in the world. Next, Volga River. Volga River rises from the Valdai Hills near Moscow. It flows towards southeastern side and it outflows into the Caspian Lake. It outflows into the Caspian Lake. It is a important rivers which distribute or which are located in European continent. Important climatic zones of the European continent. One is the Britain climatic zone. Britain climatic zone, Mediterranean climatic zone, temperate grasslands climatic zone, taiga climatic zone, tundra climatic zone. Britain climatic zone is located around the Britain and surrounding places. Mediterranean climatic zone is located Portugal, Spain, Greece, southern part of France, Albania, Italy, and so forth countries. Britain climatic zone, Mediterranean climatic zone, temperate grasslands climatic zone. Temperate grasslands climatic zone distribute around the Danube River and Po River. The temperate grasslands in European continent are called steppes. The local name of the steppes in Hungary country is called pustas. Taiga climatic zone. Taiga climatic zone is located Scandinavian countries. Scandinavian countries are nothing but Norway, Sweden, Finland. Norway, Sweden, Finland, Iceland, and southern part of Greenland. Tundra climatic zone. Tundra climatic zone is located in European continent, northern parts of the Norway, Sweden, Finland, and northern part of Greenland. Northern parts of the Norway, Sweden, Finland, and northern parts of the Greenland. The European continent consists of peninsular countries. One is Iberian Peninsular countries. Iberian Peninsular countries are Portugal, Spain. Iberian Peninsular countries are Portugal, Spain. Scandinavian Peninsular countries. Scandinavian Peninsular countries are Norway, Sweden, Finland. Balkan countries. Balkan countries, Greece, Lithuania, Latvia, and so forth countries. Italy Peninsular country. Italy Peninsular country is only Italy. In European continent, important islands are, one is Norway, important islands of European continent, Corsica, Sardinia, Sicily, Crete. Corsica, Sardinia, Sicily, Crete, which are in the Mediterranean Sea. Britain, Ireland, Iceland, which are located in the Atlantic Ocean. The rainfall is available due to the anti-trade winds in the European continent. The average rainfall of the European continent 50 to 100 centimeters. The coastal areas of European continent, generally rainfall is more and compared with the interior part. In the winter season, the western part of the European continent, the temperature is more because of Atlantic Ocean warm currents. It has two types of climates: maritime climate and continental climate. Eastern part of the European continent has continental climate. Northern part, western part, southern part. Northern part, western part, southern part of the European continent, maritime climate. Again, maritime climate is classified into three types. Likewise, continental climate is also classified into two types. Maritime climate is classified into two types in European continent. One is polar maritime climate, temperate maritime climate, continental climate also, polar continental climate, temperate continental climate. Broadly, maritime climate is classified into three types. polar maritime climate, temperate maritime climate, tropical maritime climate. Likewise, continental climate is also classified into three types: polar continental climate, temperate continental climate, tropical continental climate. Particularly in European continent, polar maritime climate, temperate maritime climate, polar continental climate, temperate continental climates distribute. Important countries of the European continent: Andorra, Liechtenstein, Monaco, Malta, San Marino, Vatican City. San Marino, Vatican City, Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Montenegro, Albania, Greece, Ukraine, Belarus, Poland, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia. Germany, Austria, Slovakia, Hungary, Serbia, Romania, Bulgaria. Norway, Sweden, Finland, Italy, France. Kosovo, Macedonia, Czech Republic, Moldova, Switzerland. Portugal, Spain, Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg. Ireland, Iceland, Scotland, Britain, Denmark. Total countries 45 in European continent. So for today, 2 continents have been completed. One is South American continent, the second one is European continent. Now we are going to Australian continent. It is the smallest continent. 7th continent. Smallest continent is Gilliland continent, or New Zealand is a submerged continent, Gilliland. Australia is the 7th continent. It is located southern hemisphere. Completely it is located in the southern hemisphere. The main boundaries of the Australian continent: eastern side Pacific Ocean, northern side Indian Ocean, western side Indian Ocean, northern western Indian, southern side, southern ocean. These are the main boundaries of Australian continent. Northern western Indian Ocean, eastern Pacific Ocean, southern ocean. Northeastern side of the Australian continent, northeastern side of the Australian continent, Papua New Guinea country is there. In between Australian continent, Papua New Guinea country, Torres Strait is there. It means Torres Strait separates Australian continent and Papua New Guinea country. Southeastern side of the Australian continent, Tasmanian Island is there. Tasmanian Island. In between Australian continent and Tasmanian Island, Bass Strait is there. Bass Strait separates Australian continent and Tasmanian Island. Physiographic features of the Australian continent. Eastern uplands are great dividing range mountains. These are the oldest mountains in Australian continent. Eastern uplands, middle plains, and western plateau. Eastern uplands is located from northern side Cape York to Tasmania Island. Middle plains commence in the northern side Gulf of Carpentarian extended up to southern side Great Australian Bight. Western plateau, it is completely filled by the tropical deserts. Great Australian Desert, Great Victorian Deserts, and Gibson Desert. The Australian continent is mainly classified into 6 major autonomous states. Northern Australian continent, Western Australian continent, Western Australian continent, Northern Australian continent, Western Australian continent, Southern Australian continent, Northern Australia, Western Australia, Southern Australia, Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria. Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria. Important climatic zones of the Australian continent. Monsoon climatic zone, China climatic zone, tropical deserts climatic zone, temperate grasslands climatic zone. Monsoon climatic zone is located northern part of the Australian continent. China climatic zone is located eastern part of the Australian continent. Tropical deserts climatic zone is located northwestern part of the Australian continent and southwestern part of the Australian continent. Particularly, it distributes or is located Great Australian Desert area and Great Victorian Desert areas. Temperate grasslands climatic zone. The temperate grasslands which are located or which distribute in the Australian continent called downs. The downs distribute Murray-Darling rivers areas. These are the familiar rivers in the Australian continent. The Australian continent is called eternal land because since ancient time the kangaroo animals have been living so far. That is why which is also called eternal land. The Australian dogs are called dingoes. Dingoes are used for the hunting of the kangaroo animals. Kalgoorlie and Coolgardie are the famous for Kalgoorlie and Coolgardie. Kalgoorlie and Coolgardie are the famous for gold in Australian continent. The highest peak is in Australian continent, Kosciuszko, which is located in Blue Mountain areas. Important countries of Oceania or Australasia. Australian continent, Fiji, Kiribati, Vanuatu, Nauru, New Zealand, Micronesian Islands, Marshall Islands, Tuvalu, Tonga, Palau, Papua New Guinea, Solomon Islands, Samoa. The other important countries are which are located in the oceans. Aruba or Aruba, Anguilla, Cayman Islands, French Polynesian Islands, Cook Islands, Marquis Islands. These are the important countries which distribute Oceania or Australasia. And Gila Land continent. It is the eighth continent. It is a submerged continent. Gila Land continent. Only 3 islands are the emergent islands we can see in submerged continent above the sea level. Northern New Zealand, Southern New Zealand, Stewart Island. These 3 are under the Gila Land continent, remaining area submerged area. So far today, South American continent, European continent, Australian continent, Gila Land continent have been completed. It is a brief explanation about these continents. Area-wise, Asian continent, Africa, second one, third one is North America, fourth one is South America, fifth one is Antarctica, sixth one is Europe, seventh one is Australia, eighth one is Gila Land continent. One more I will say about the continental theory. Brief explanation. As per Abraham Otilis, F.P. Taylor, as per as per Abraham Vertillis, Hubby Taylor, Alfred Wegener. Before Paleozoic era, at present 7 continents consist of only one land, which is called Pangaea, or oldest continent. At present, eight continents consist of one land, which is called ancient continent or biggest continent. At present, 5 oceans consist of only one water body, which is called Pantalsa. The smallest water body, which is located middle part of the Pangaea, is called Tethys Sea. Northern part of the Tethys Sea, Angar Land. Southern part of the Tethys Sea, Gondwana Land. After Mesozoic era, due to the endogenetic forces or internal forces, the Angar Land divides into 3 main continents. One is Asian continent, the second one is European continent, third one is North American continent. Likewise, southern Gondwana Land divides into South American continent, African continent, Antarctican continent, Australian continent, Jula Land continent. The eastern part of the South American continent and the western part of the African continent having the similar physical features, because these two are connected. Because these two are connected to each other before Paleozoic era. The western part of the European continent and the eastern part of the North American continent having the similar features, because these two are connected to each other before Paleozoic era. Eastern part of the North American continent, Appalachian Mountains, and western part of the European continent, Caledonian Mountains. These two mountains are the oldest mountains. And eastern part of the African continent, southern Asian continent, southern India, northern part of Australian continent having the same physical features, because these were connected to one another before Paleozoic era. In North American continent, Baffin Land, Elizabeth Land, Greenland connected to one another, because these were also connected to one another before Paleozoic era. The South India is the part of the Gondwana Land, because it is connected with the Australian continent. Thank you, students. To be continued tomorrow. Time is